Dear participants, before having panel, I would like to give some basic information about Turkish steel industry and utilization of scrap in Turkish steel sector. During the last 3 years, there has been big fluctuations in Turkish steel industry, and after 37.5 million ton production in the year 2017, then there has been some decrease from 37 million ton to 33.7 million ton, around 4 million ton loss created because of some protectionist measures in United States and European Union. Then during the pandemic period in the year 2020, there has been recovery. In fact, we were expecting that there will be better recovery, more than 10%, but particularly in April and May, production decrease average 26%, and because of this negative effect of the pandemic conditions, Turkish steel sector, even under these conditions, created more production, and we closed the year 2020 with 6.1% increase in production. And the basic increase created by the electrical arc furnaces and the production of electrical arc furnaces approached to 25 million ton level. Of course, this is still lower than 2017 and 2018, but it's very close, around 1 million ton lower, and we are expecting that in the 2021, the production of the electrical arc furnaces will pass this old year's figure. We are basically producing steel with imported raw material, and we are the biggest importer of the scrap in the world, and the biggest source of the import of scrap for us is European Union, and in fact it was fluctuating around 11-12 million ton level, but under the pandemic conditions, since the European steel producers didn't utilize the scrap sources too much, our import reached to 14 million ton level. And then second source is United States, and import increase in United States also, and CIS it is the same. So total import increase around 4 million ton level from the different sources. If you look to the value base, our total import value reached to $7 billion. But of course, this is little bit related with the low price level in the year 2020. In fact, in old years, it approached to 9 to 10 billion dollar levels. So particularly during the last 2 months of the year, scrap prices increased very sharply from $220 in the February to $480 level. So now it's fluctuation, but it's well over the $400. So it seems it will continue in this way. Looking to the country base, United States is the biggest source. Then Netherlands, Russia, and UK is following the other big sources for Turkish steel industry. And looking to the portion of the share of the import share generally was around 65-67% level. Now this year temporarily increased to 74%, 74.8%. So it has been one fourth of scrap created in Turkish domestic market, and the other 75% of it imported from different sources. We are expecting that this level will be changed a little bit in the year 2021, and the Turkish portion will increase again a little bit. But it will not be easy to reach the old 65% import, 35% domestic market scrap production, because we are expecting electrical arc furnaces production will increase in next coming years because of the accumulated needs and expected increase in Turkish steel production. If you look to the importers, major scrap importers in the world, Turkey is the biggest importer for a long time, and in the year 2019, with around 19 million ton import, we have been the first importer. We are expecting when the other countries' position will be determined, we are expecting that we will be strengthened with 22 million ton import, and the other followers are second is India, third is South Korea, fourth is Italy, and fifth is Vietnam. In fact, Vietnam recently increasing very sharply its production, and they will not have enough scrap. Basically, they will import their scrap requirement from closer countries such as Japan and other countries. In this respect, we are expecting that Vietnam position in next coming years will be at the upper level. There is no China in this table, as you can see. China outside of this table, because China principally self-sufficient country with its big scrap sources, but depending upon the utilization of the electrical arc furnaces, this picture may change very quickly. That is the basic information about Turkish steel sector and utilization of the scrap as an input. I hope it will be, with this short statement, it will be more easy to express ourselves during the panel. Thank you for your participation again.